Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineers Gyan. In today's vlog, I will discuss in my cement plant projects what's going on today. Okay, so let's start the video. Today we gonna check the CSP Clinker Silo raft. We gonna check because tomorrow we going to start the concreting work. That's why. So let's start the video. First I am checking to the steel and shutterings. Okay, so in shuttering we gonna check, first we check the proper layout. After that, give the support properly. If we are using shuttering, outer side is on in check also the plumb. Okay, after that apply the shuttering oil properly and give support 500 mm. Okay, check support, all support is tight, everything is good. Okay, so after we check the shutterings, we are moving to the steel. Check the diameter of the steel, check the proper spacing, everything we need to check. Before concreting, we gonna clear the PCC area. Okay, we apply the water and clean the PCC area. So we gonna right now we gonna check the depth of this foundation. Before you are checking the depth, you also known as we need to leave cover. Okay, in top side we gonna give cover is 50 mm top and bottom side. Okay, after that we check the depth. After that we are gonna check the width of this foundation. You guys see the depth is, my foundation is 1.5 meter and width is 2 meter, is a circular diameter, is dia is 22.8 meter. Okay, after that we are checking the spacings. Okay, this structure designer is given this apply using the 25 mm dia main bar and 16 mm dia used like a stirrups. Okay, so in 150 mm spacing you guys see in the video. And also if you are using the main bar, give the alternate lap. What is the lap? Is 52D. Today we are giving this foundation. Okay, we are using the main bar is 25 mm dia, so is 52D into is going on is likely 1300 mm. Okay, also we give the check the hook length is the 10D, 10 in multiply by the dia of steel. Okay, is 160 mm. Okay, after that we check the vertical wall position. My wall thickness is 400 mm. We are giving to the 50 mm cover both side. Okay, and also we check the covers. So we need to check everything before concreting. In concreting we are using to the 60 mm vibrator. Okay, vibrator needle is 60 mm. So I hope you guys like this video. If you are like it, please like, subscribe channel. Tomorrow I upload the concreting video. Thank you.